Welcome to the Morning Coach community. I am so glad you're here as always, and I got a quick one for you. You ever have your reMarkable 2 stall out, or your reMarkable 2 just feel like you're tapping on the screen and things aren't working? Well, what you may need to do is do a hard reset. What we're going to use is the power button on top. So I'm going to show you how to do a hard reset with your reMarkable 2 in our new tutorial series. And of course, any comments you have, please leave them in the comments below. And any tutorials you want in the reMarkable 2, please leave them in the comments because we're going to be doing a bunch here on the channel. So we're going to hold this reset button down for 7 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007. It's going to ask if we want to turn off the reMarkable. We do not want to turn off the reMarkable. We're going to do a hard reset. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hold it down for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. And there we go. We're now in the reset mode. The reMarkable 2 is resetting. You can see it starting up again. It's got to take a second here as it runs through its OS to get it going again, its operating system, but we're almost there. Here we go. It's starting, and you can kind of see it restarting there. reMarkable's loading, and we'll give it a minute. And again, this might be any reason you stall out. It's kind of like unplugging the TV and plugging it back in if you're my age. Remember, we used to do that a lot. When things didn't break, you'd plug it out and plug it back in. You can kind of see down here at the bottom, the text, it's not connected right now, and there it goes. It connected to Wi-Fi. It's now refreshing. You can kind of see it down here. It went real fast because that was just a hard reset, not a factory reset. And we'll do another tutorial on a factory reset if you want to, get rid of your reMarkable. This is just a hard reset to make it restart and restart the whole OS if it's frozen. So you've got 7 seconds. Hold that power button down right here for 7 seconds. Let it go to where it says it's going to shut off, and then hold it down for 3 seconds, and you can do a hard reset on your reMarkable 2 device. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to make a whole playlist of reMarkable 2 tutorials. Make sure you subscribe if you like this. Hit a like if it helped you out a little bit, and we appreciate you being a part of this community. Hey, love to hear from you in the comments down below.